Everyone and welcome to on How to Speak in English channel, and this is Mirupa. So today I am going to tell you something that is very important. If you want to improve your English and if you want to speak correct English, means if you want to speak correct English according to the grammar, so you should watch this video because this video will only focus on grammar. Means by the help of this video you are going to learn grammar, you are going to know something about grammar rules that we all have to follow in order to speak commandable English, in order to speak charming English, right? So don't forget to watch this video at the end because this video will gonna help you to speak correct English according to the grammar. So before any further ado, let's get started our video. When I was beginner, so I was in lack of certainty. I was envisioning that there are so many grammar rules. Which one I should learn? And which one is so important? Which one is so substantial for English? Means imagine you want to start your English journey. So for this, you need some common word. You need those words that are repeated most of the time in English, and you need also grammar that is important to start speaking, right? So I was in lack of certainty. I was thinking, so like my sir, he told to me, like he teaches us English, and he has given this idea and I have implemented on myself in order to polish my English because I wanted to speak commandable English, I wanted to speak charming English. So that is why I used to follow the order, you can say I used to follow the advice that my teacher used to give me. So that's what I'm going to tell you in this video. So first one is grammar. So in grammar you should focus on tense. According to me, if you want to start your speaking, so first of all you should have enough knowledge about grammar. Yes, जैसे take an example of simple word. You want to speak simple word. For this you also need grammar. जैसे मैं खाता हूँ, it is a very simple word, but in this the person who know tense, they will translate it like correct, but the person who don't know about grammar, who don't know about tense, so they will gonna do mistake in it. So that is why according to me you should focus on tense, and tense will help you to start your speaking. Tense will let you speak. जैसे मैं खाता हूँ, so I eat, वह जाती है, she goes, मेरी मम्मी खाना पका रही है, my mother is cooking food, yeah, she is cooking food. So right, so these are the some common words and these are the some common sentences that we use in our daily life. So if you want to speak these all sentences in English, so for this you need grammar, means you need tense. That's what I'm telling you. I hope you all have understand why grammar is important, and I have proved it as well through one example. Next one is modals. Yes, can, could, might, should, would. These are also some important grammar. Like in grammar, these are some rules that is very important, and these rules are repeated by English learner most of the time. You can go and you can watch any person video. In that video you will get might be, maybe, can be, could be. So you should focus on modals as well. So like today maybe I would go to market. शायद मैं मार्केट जाऊंगी. देखो वुड का यूज होता है, विल आपको शायद नहीं लगाना है क्योंकि मैं डेफिनेटली जाऊंगी. मुझे पक्का विश्वास है, प्रूफ है मेरे पास कि मैं जाने वाली हूँ आज. तो आई विल गो, और आप डाउट है कि अरे अगर जाऊंगी या नहीं जाऊंगी, आप कंफ्यूजन में हो, तो हियर यू हैव टू यूज वुड. जैसे आई वुड गो टू मार्केट बिकॉज यू आर इन लैक ऑफ सर्टेनिटी राइट नाउ वेदर आई विल गो और नॉट, बिकॉज ड्यू टू सम प्रॉब्लम. सो दैट इज वाई modals is very important and you should focus on it. And third one is conditional. Yes, conditional is most important, and conditional will also help you to speak marvelous English. जैसे कि अगर मैं लेट करूँगी तो मेरे टीचर मारेंगे. वी यूज दिस इज वेरी कॉमन वर्ड, दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन सेंटेंस दैट वी यूज़ इन आवर डेली लाइफ. अगर मैं नहीं खाऊंगी तो मेरी मम्मी मारेगी. सो इफ़ आई नॉट इट माई मदर विल बीट मी. अगर मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी तो मेरी मम्मी मारेगी. इफ़ आई नॉट गो टू स्कूल माई मदर विल बीट मी. तो ये कुछ कॉमन वर्ड है. जैसे अगर मेरे पास कार होता तो मैं भी वहाँ जाती. तो मतलब कि इफ़ आई, मतलब आप कल्पना कर रहे हैं कि आपके पास है नहीं वो चीज़, प्रेजेंट में अवेलेबल नहीं है, बट आप कल्पना कर रहे हैं कि अगर मेरे पास कार होता तो मैं भी चलाती. सो इफ़ आई वर अ कार देन, नॉट देन, आई वुड ड्राइव. अगर मैं चिड़िया होती तो मैं भी उड़ती. आप हैं नहीं, आप बन भी नहीं सकते, बट अपना कल्पना कर रहे हैं, एक्सपीरियंस, सपोज दैट, राइट. सो इफ़ आई वर बर्ड then I would also fly. So these are some common sentences that we speak in our native language, in Hindi language, in any language. So that is why conditional is very important. And last one is had, have. We use have, has in many way. जैसे मैं खाना खा रही हूँ, so I am having my food. मैं खाना खाती हूँ, I have my food या I have my dinner at 9 o'clock. So ये जैसे डेली रूटीन के जैसे भी यूज होता है एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में. तो ये इसमें बहुत ही कन्फ्यूजन है. यू मे बी यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ confusion in it. And if you try to talk with people, so if they use the person who know about have, has, use very well, so they will gonna use. So if they use, so maybe if you do conversation with them, so you will gonna in lack of certainty, you will in confusion. So that is why you should focus on these things. And these were some grammar rules that I used to follow when I was not able to speak in English, means when I was beginner. So that is why I am suggesting you should focus on tense, conditional and modals and have, has, had uses, because these are some important grammar rules that will help you to speak better English. And every English learner have this dream that when I will speak just like native speaker, when I will speak without translating, when I will speak without taking marathon time. So if you want to become fluent, so you should focus these all grammar rules, and these all grammar rules will help you to speak better English, to speak marvelous English. And if you want to make your English, if you want to make your conversation really wonderful, amazing, so you should follow these all grammar rules that I have tell you in this video. So make sure to follow it with consistency, because consistency is the key of success, right? We know very well, right? So that is why hope you will gonna like this video. So if this video will gonna helpful for you, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. We will meet again so soon with new another videos. So have a fun.